You don't have to go to Chinese restaurant for steamed buns. The recipe is so easy. To start, we're going to make a dry yeast water mixture with ingredients here. All my recipes are available in my bio link. Make sure you check it out. Now, lard is optional, but it's gonna make the dough taste more moist and it's shiny looking. Simply mix all-purpose flour and dry yeast water mixture together. Knead the dough for a few minutes. Now let it rest for at least 1 hour. While we're waiting on the dough to be ready, we can move on to the fillings for the steamed buns. You can use any type of ground meat. I used pork in this video. Simply mix the ingredients together. The scallion ginger water can be added a few times throughout this process. It adds a nice scallion ginger taste to the meat, and it's also gonna make the gamey taste go away. Finally, sizzle the scallion. It's ready to go. It has been 1 hour or so. Let's check back on the dough. It's doubled in size. Dust some flour over the kitchen counter. Stretch out the dough into a long log. Now cut it into small pieces, roughly 20 to 25 grams each. Roll each piece into a ball and press it into a small pancake with this tortilla press. I really like it because it gives a nice jump start before we roll it out with a rolling pin. Once we made the wrapper, you add in the fillings. Try your best to close the steamed buns with the technique I showed here. As long as the fillings doesn't fall out, you're good. My job wasn't perfect either. Now, simply steam them for roughly between 12 to 15 minutes. It's time to enjoy. The recipe is really simple. I mean, it takes a little bit of time, but it's totally worth it. All my recipes are in a bio link. Make sure you check it out. Thank you for watching.